Hello, my name is Stewart. I'm a landscaper trained by a golf course superintendent for the care of Western Washington lawns. Today is September 17th, and we've had a year with a lot of a drought going on. A lot of lawns are damaged. And it started raining today, which is just great. We really need it. So this is a lawn that I have aerated, seeded, fertilized, and then I put on 25 pounds of a soil amendment. And I'm going to I call this a lawn tune-up, by the way. Aerating, seeding, and fertilizing a residential lawn. And the soil amendment's extra. So I'm going to come back in about a month's time and take a look at this lawn. This is Mary's lawn. She lives in North Seattle, Holler Lake area. Once again, this is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching company. Thanks for watching the video. Hello, this is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching company. Today is October 21st, and this is Mary's lawn, Holler Lake area. And this is the lawn that I had previously aerated, seeded, and fertilized, and it's come back very nicely. There's a couple little bare patches here and there, but this lawn it's made a world of difference here. Once again, this is Stewart with the Aerating-Thatching company. Thank you. Bye-bye.